Good morning, everyone. Today I want to share some ideas about the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful concept that suggests that our thoughts and feelings can shape the reality we experience. Simply put, it states that like attracts like, positive thoughts bring positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negativity. When we focus on what we truly want with beliefs and intention, we attract those outcomes into our lives. However, the law of attraction goes beyond just wishful thinking. It's about aligning our mindset, emotions, and actions towards our desires. Visualizing success, practicing gratitude, and maintaining a positive outlook help us stay on the path to achieving our goals. The key is to believe that what we seek is already on its way and to take the inspired action towards making it a reality. In essence, the law of attraction reminds us that we are creators of our own life, and by focusing on what we want, we can manifest our dreams into existence. Thank you.